What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones again with another informative video. I almost forgot to mention about AT&T prepaid smartphones. Now, I know people hate bloatware and complain about bloatware, but the people that's about the for free gang, I'm here to remind you, majority of bloatware, you don't even have to install. You don't gotta go to the Play Store or Galaxy App Store or the Apple App Store or whatever like that. It's already pre-installed on your phone for free. Okay, so some of the stuff you don't even need a personal subscription for, like Pluto TV or Flipboard or the Games app or HBO Max. You don't need a subscription. It is already all you have to do is use an email account. And I told you guys about Tip Mail. Use a Tip Mail email and sign in, and boom, you can use it, and you free to go. Uh, but that's besides the point. Also, AT&T prepaid phones, if you notice, you might have this app called Device Unlock by AT&T. Okay, so you tap on that and you see if your device is unlocked or not, like that, whatever. So my device is unlocked. Your device is already unlocked. Try restarting to complete the process, whatever. So this phone is already unlocked. This is Galaxy A51 5G from AT&T prepaid. I got it from Walmart. You can go to AT&T website and get a phone. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. Let's go ahead and search for it. And now the key is with the AT&T prepaid phones, uh, you have to use them at least 6 months before you can unlock them to the T-Mobile network. Now, some of them might not have all the bands, like Santana. Say, shout out to Jose Santana. He wanted me to give him a shout out. So there, I hope you heard shout out to Jose Santana. But anyways, not all the AT&T prepaid phones have the, all the bands of 5G for T-Mobile versus AT&T. So that's where the give and go or the give and take comes from. As you can see, they got the A32 5G, they got the Fusion Z, they got the Motorola One 5G Ace, they got the Radiant Max 5G by AT&T, and it's probably gonna be stock. It probably won't come with bloatware, but like Motorola, it's probably not gonna come with bloatware. Um, Now this AT&T Fusion Z, I'm considering it's a poor man's phone, so that's definitely with a lot of bloatware. Looks like an Android One phone, an Android Go phone, based on the search bar, the Google search bar. But the A32 5G, that's like a low mid range 5G phone, and then you got your A02s, and then you got your A12s, 121. Depends on how much you want to spend. Now, that's besides the point. Now, majority of the phones, they come with this widget, AT&T Entertainment. All right, you already have HBO Max installed for free, and yes, you could actually stream free episodes of HBO Max originals. Direct TV, now you got to pay for that. CW is free to stream and watch, over Wi-Fi or data. The news and sports, you got CNN, Bleacher Report, Bleacher Live. Bleacher Live you have to pay for. NBA app. Now, NBA app, you can watch highlights and catch up with the scores and stuff like that. But if you want to watch games from the NBA app, of course, you got to pay for the NBA League Pass. Then you got the Games tab at the bottom. You got the Games app. You got Harry Potter pre-installed. You got Game of Thrones. So you got Golf Class, which has the Halloween theme going on. But it's November the 1st. So that should be already over with. But I just also wanted to remind you guys about um, Flipboard, Pluto TV, and I think I missed one. Pandora is pre-installed, I think. Yeah, I think Pandora's pre-installed and stuff like that. So, yeah, guys. So once you use the AT&T prepaid phone, use it approximately about 6 months straight, you can hit the unlock device app, see if your device can get unlocked, and then guess what? You can use TextNow for free. So I mean, all you have to do is just download the TextNow app and see if you qualify and stuff like that. And then, like I said, once again, go to their blog site, learn about stuff. You know what I'm saying? They give you tips and tricks. They give you deals, special deals. They might even talk about Black Friday deals, apps that don't need. Oh, here we go. I didn't even catch this one. Apps that don't need Wi-Fi. So here we go. One that was a few weeks out. Of course, TextNow app doesn't need Wi-Fi now in the United States. If you got a T-Mobile phone or a phone that can get the T-Mobile access, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, check this out. Funny they bring up Spotify, but you got to pay to play. You want Spotify unlimited? You gotta get. You want to download? You gotta get the $9.99. All right, they got Peacock TV now. That's interesting. Okay, so I will also. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make this a different. I'm gonna make that a different video. All right. But shout out to TextNow. This mini video I want to talk to you guys about. So shop around with AT&T.com, AT&T Prepaid. Check out Walmart. Check out the AT&T stores. Get a look around with the AT&T prepaid phones and use it for 6 months. And for you know it, you'll be able to use TextNow for free without data or none of all that stuff like that. And you'll be able to use all these apps still, for free. So here we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Were you aware about AT&T prepaid phones working on the T-Mobile network and also being compatible with the TextNow unlimited talk and text free service? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.